Hello and welcome to another Source Sounds video. Here we've got a Porsche 996 Carrera 4 that we've installed the KENWOOD DMX8021DABS. We've retained the factory fibre optic amplifier and also moved the heat controls lower down so the car can now have a doubled in radio. A couple of features of this KENWOOD DMX is it's an AM FM radio. It does digital radio, Bluetooth streaming, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you can control your Spotify. For more information on upgrading your Porsche or just installing a radio, please give the guys a call at Source on 0114 257 1550 or email sales@sourcesounds. Thank you for watching.